Hi friends, how are you? By blessing to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. Jena, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Pokemon University, Basav Bihar, Balasur, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcome to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. AB JENA CLASSES. Friends, as I am discussion करेंगे the 40 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus given by the Odisha Public Service Commission for PGT for the subject of commerce. So friends, today's discussion is क्या है from the financial services. So friends, so आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, पर्टिकुलर फॉर द सेमिस्टर एग्जामिनेशन एज वेल एज SSB एज वेल एज फॉर द UGC नेट JRF फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द PG एंड PhD एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. सो दैट्स वाई आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड फ्रेंड्स, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रॉम बिगनिंग to till end, kindly you watch it. Definitely you will be more and more comfortable, not only the PGT examination but also the other examination like UGC net, SSB, PhD and PG entrance exams. So friends, particularly for the board examination, friends, you will get that is the true or false or fill in the blanks or answer within one or two sentences. Very so during the discussion we will discuss the important concepts and meaning. So friends, it's that is the part 19. I have already posted the 18 parts. Kindly go through the playlist. And so far as the financial services are concerned, so it's the part 2. I have already posted the part 1 in as per the previous advertisement made by the Odisha Public Services Commission. So friends, without wasting our valuable time, friends, without wasting our golden time, so आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए. क्या बात है. So friends, we'll discuss one by one the 40 vital MCQs from the financial services. So friends, the first one MCQ, RBI मतलब the Reserve Bank of India Act is whether it's 1934, 1935 or 1936 or 1949. So friends, it's Act is that is A 1934. So RBI or Reserve Bank of India Act is 1935. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So it's 1949 friends. So it's the Banking Regulation Act. But its RBI establishment is year is that is 1935. So friends, you have to remember. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा और डैश एक्ट्स एज एन इंटरमीडिएटरी बिटवीन द गवर्नमेंट एंड द मनी मार्केट. वेदर RBI, friends, RBI it stands for Reserve Bank of India. Whether SEBI, friends, it's the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Third one is Commercial Banks. D it's all the above. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब RBI acts as an intermediary between the government and the money market. So next one MCQ, what are the monetary policies of RBI? Whether repo rate, bank rate, dividend rate, cash reserve ratio, friends, it's the CRR and the discount rate. Friends, so you have to select the right options from the following. So whether A all the above except 2, B it's all the above except 3, D it's all the above except 4, 5, D it's all the above. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. ये नहीं होगा डिविडेंड रेट, ये नहीं होगा द मॉनिटरी पॉलिसीज ऑफ RBI. सो रिपो रेट, बैंक रेट, CRR एंड डिस्काउंट रेट्स आर द मॉनिटरी पॉलिसीज ऑफ RBI. सो डिविडेंड रेट विल नॉट बी. सो रिपो रेट मीन्स to the rate at which whether A it's the commercial banks borrow loans. So it's friends the typing error is there. So loans from RBI. B it's the RBI borrows the short term money from commercial bank. Third one it's C it's the RBI borrows short term money from the markets. D it's the bank keeps the money with RBI. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So it's the common question friends. So repo rate means to the rate at which commercial banks borrow the loans or funds from the RBI. So next one हम देखेंगे what will be counted under the statutory liquidity ratio ASLR. Friends, it stands for statutory liquidity ratio. Whether it's the cash in hand balance with RBI, C it's the gold owned by the commercial bank. So options are friends, you have to select all the above except 1, B it's all the above except 2, C it's all the above except 3, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Cash in hand balance with RBI and the gold owned by the commercial banks are coming under the SLR statutory liquidity ratio. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे मतलब क्या है SLR. So SLR is the minimum percentage of deposits that the commercial bank maintains through the gold, cash and other securities in order to maintain the liquidity position of the bank. So next one MCQM, the government securities market is also known as, so its typing error is there, so known as क्या, whether it's the industrial security, it's the gilt edge security, third one it's the money market security, D it's the capital market security. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Government securities market is also known as or called क्या है, gilt edge securities. So next one हम देखेंगे dash is the quantitative instruments of RBI, whether CRR, B it's the bank rate policy, it's the SLR, fourth one is the open market operation, fifth one is marginal standing facility. So friends, select the right option from the following. So A all the above except 2, B it's all the above except 4, C it's all the above except 5, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So CRR bank rate policy, SLR open market operations and marginal standing rates facilities. So these are the quantitative instruments of RBI to maintain, that is the inflation. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is also known as the industrial paper, whether it's the treasury bill, B it's the commercial bill, C it's the equity share, D it's the commercial paper. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So commercial paper is also known as the industrial paper. So treasury bills, so commercial bill and the commercial paper, so these are the money market instruments. So the normally the firms, so they are issuing the money market instruments in order to maintain or to maintain the liquidity position as well as to have the working capital or to get the working capital. So friends, so next one MCQ, what are the services provided by merchant bankers to their clients? So पहले आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of that is the merchant banker or merchant banking. So it's the financial institution. So merchant bank is a financial institution which conducts or that conducts underwriting loan services, that is the financial advising and that is the fund raising services for large corporations. So corporation मतलब friends the company and high net worth individuals. So these are mobilization funds, underwriting, project financing, loan syndication, mergers and acquisition, that is the portfolio management, corporate restructuring. So friends, you have to select the right option for this MCQ, all the above except 2, B it's C, all the above except 5, C it's all the above except 6, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So a merchant banker, so merchant banker provides all so these services to its client or to their clients. So next one हम देखेंगे how many banks were nationalized in the year 1980, whether 6, B 12, C 14, D it's 18. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So the 6 banks were nationalized in the year of 1980 and so पहला it's in 1969 the 14 banks were nationalized in first phase. So 14 banks. So next one हम देखेंगे the amount paid by the hire purchaser to hire vendor in taking the possession of goods is known as what, whether it's the hire purchase price, B it's the selling price, C it's the down payment, D it's the installment. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स डिस्कशन करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग, मतलब क्या है, दैट इज द हायर परचेज एग्रीमेंट. सो इट्स एन एग्रीमेंट और अरेंजमेंट फॉर बाइंग द एक्सपेंसिव कंज्यूमर गुड्स वेयर द बायर makes an initial down payment and pays the balance plus interest in the installment. So it's the meaning of that is the hire purchase agreement or hire purchase. So next one हम देखेंगे. So here there are the hire vendor. Who is a hire vendor? So hire vendor is the seller of property or assets. So here the hire purchase is the buyer of the property or assets. So friends, so you have to remember. So next one हम देखेंगे scheming in e-banking is a method of what? Whether that is the stealing the debit card information, B it's the stealing the credit card information, C it's the conversion of a debit card into credit card, D it's the conversion the credit card into debit card. So no doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Scheming in a e-banking is a method of stealing the cash credit card information. So next one हम देखेंगे the CRISIL. So it stands for what is this? Credit Information Services India Limited. Has been established in which year? Whether it's 1985, B it's 1986, C it's the 1987, D it's the 1992. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So CRISIL has been established in the year 1987. So next one हम देखेंगे CTSL stands for what? Whether the Central Depository Services Limited, B it's the Central Depository Securities Limited, C is the Corporate Deposit Securities Limited, D is the Corporate Depository Services Limited. So friends, so A is the right option for this image. C stands for Central, D stands for Depository, again the A stands for that is the Services, and L stands for the Limited. So friends, so depository, what is the meaning of depository? So it's this is a nominee who keeps the securities on behalf of the investor. So depository मतलब क्या? Okay, so depository system. So normally that is the securities are converted into the electronic form. So there are in India there are two depository. So first one is that is the CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. Its establishment year is in 1999, whereas NSDL it stands for National Securities and Depository Limited. Its establishment year is in 1996. So friends, you have to remember. So next one हम देखेंगे the financial leverage arises due to what? Whether interest cost, B is the cost of production, C is the variable cost, D is the fixed cost. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So leverage ratio, what is this? It's the type of financial ratio that measures the company's level of debt relative to another financial metric. So it's the meaning of leverage ratio. So it's a financial leverage. It's also known as that is the trading on equity. What is this? So it's what is the combination of that is the equity shareholder along with the fixed bearing obligation, मतलब that is the debenture. So next one हम देखेंगे the relationship between the operating income and earnings per share is called what? Whether it's the operating leverage, B it's the financial leverage, C it's the composite leverage, D it's the super leverage. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. The relationship between the operating income and earnings per share, it's known as what is this? The financial leverage. So next one हम देखेंगे which leverage? The leverage. So it's the leverage which measures the relationship between the sales revenue and taxable income. It's known as what? Whether it's the operating leverage, B it's the financial leverage, C it's the composite leverage, D it's the super leverage. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The leverage, so the leverage which measures the relationship between the sales revenue and the taxable income is known as what is this? Composite leverage. So next one, the leverage which makes the relationship between the that is the sales revenue and operating income is known as what is this? Whether operating leverage, B it's the financial leverage, C it's the composite leverage, D it's the super leverage. So friends, here A is the right option for this MCQ. The leverage which makes the relationship between the sales revenue and operating income is known as operating leverage. So next one हम देखेंगे trading on equity. So no doubt friends. So friends, we have already discussed that is the trading on equity is possible only when a business firm uses what is this? That is the financial leverage. So friends, your B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे when the shares are not issued directly to public, but the shares are offered for sales through financial institution, it is known as what? Whether it's the IPO, initial public offer, B it's the further public offer, APO, C it's the private placement, D it's the offer for sale. So friends, so C, D is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video, and I have also discussed there by citing the suitable example the methods of issuing the shares in the primary market. Kindly go through the posted video, definitely you will know more and more. So next one हम देखेंगे, which bank has introduced the credit card first in India, whether it's the CBI, Central Bank of India, B it's the SBI, C it's the PNB मतलब the Punjab National Bank, D it's the Canara Bank. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So Central Bank of India has introduced the credit card first time in India. So friends, so here A is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, so how many digits are there in IFSC code? So IFSC friends, it stands for, what is this? Indian. I stands for, F stands for, that is the financial, A stands for, that is the system, C stands for, it's the code. Whether it's the 9, 11, 13, 15. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So there are how many digits? 11 digits in IFSC code. So next one हम देखेंगे RRB. So Regional Rural Banks Act is whether it's 1975, B it's 1976, C it's the 1977, D it's the 1980. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. RRB Act is that is 1976, but its establishment is that is the 1975. Carefully, friends, you know it. So next one MCQ, who manages the post-issue activities of a company, whether merchant banker, B it's the board of directors, C it's the lead manager, D it's the venture capitalist. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So lead managers manages the post-issue activities of a company. So next one हम देखेंगे NABARD. So friends, it's the NABARD stands for, what is this? It's the N stands for national, B stands for bank, for A stands for, that is agriculture, and R stands for, that is the rural, D stands for development. So it's a, that is the NABARD. So NABARD has been established in which year? Whether it's 1980, B it's 1982, C it's the 1990, D it's in 1992. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. NABARD has been established in 1982. So next one हम देखेंगे, who was the governor of RBI at the time of demonetization in 2016. आइए फ्रेंड्स, हम पहले चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of demonetization. So demonetization is the process to remove the legal tender status of a currency. It's the meaning of demonetization. Whether it's Dr. D. Suvarao, B it's Dr. Raghu Ram Ranjan, C it's the Dr. Urjit R. Patel, D it's the Sri Sasikanta Das. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So at the time of demonetization, at that time Dr. Urjit R. Patel was the governor of RBI in the year 2016. So next one हम देखेंगे, आइए फ्रेंड्स, so you match the list 1 with list 2 which are given below. So list 1 में क्या है? Name of the committee, and list 2 में purpose of the committee. A it's the Raghuram Rajan committee, B it's the Vassal committee, C it's the Urjit Patel committee, D it's the Bhagal committee. In list 2 में क्या है? Money market of India, B it's the reform for financial sector, third one is the supervision of bank, fourth one is examining the monetary framework. So friends, select the right option from the following as given below. A, A1, B2, C3, D4, B it's A4, B3, C1, D2, then C, A4, B3, C2, D1, then it's a 4. It's A4, B3, C1, D2. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So Raghuram Rajan committee for the committee has been established for the purpose of examining the monetary framework. Then B3, that is the Vassal committee, has been made for the purpose of supervision of a bank. Then C1, that is the Urjit Patel Committee has been established for the purpose of reforms in the money market of India. Then the Bhagal Committee, so it's established for the purpose of reforms for the financial sector. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, in financial lease who bears the risk of obsolescence, whether lessor, bids lessee, seeks third party, deeds both A and B. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. In financial lease, that is the lessee bears the risk of obsolescence. So next one हम देखेंगे, the development banks are the what, whether it's the branches of commercial banks, whether in private or public sector situated in rural areas, towards the upliftment of weaker sections of the society, based the financial, that is the sections, to provide the long-term finance to industries. Third one is that is the land development banks to provide the development financing to agriculture sector. So friends, select the right option from the following. A, first only, B it's the second only, third one it's the first and third only, second only, D it's the all the above. Friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. So first and third one, so these are not the correct statement with regard to the development banks, but the third one, second one, the financial institution. So it's friends, so it's the financial institutions. The development banks are the financial institution to provide, or they provide the long-term finance to industries. So friends, your B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे, which one is the first development financial institution in India, whether it's the IDBI, so Industrial Development Bank of India. So friends, you have to remember IDBI establishment year is 1900, that is 64. Then second one is the ICICI. So friends, its full form is that is the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Its establishment year is 1955. Third one is that is the Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Its establishment year is that is 1948. So first one is what is this? It's C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब IFCI is the first development financial institution of India. So next one हम देखेंगे, which most common financial services are provided to foreign investors, whether custodial services, be it the factoring services, third one is the financial services, D is the banking services. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करें मतलब क्या है फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज. सो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज में बी डिफाइंड एज द प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज ऑफर्ड बाय एफआईजी, मतलब द फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू फैसिलिटेट ऑफ वेरियस फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस एंड अदर रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज. इट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे, व्हिच वन इज रिगार्डेड एज ए डेड चेक, वेदर ब्लैंक चेक, बी द स्टेल चेक, C it's the pre-dated check, fourth one is that is the post-dated check. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The still check is regarded as the dead check. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टेल चेक. सो व्हेन द डेट रिटर्न ऑन द चेक इज 3 months prior to submission to the bank for payments, it's known as that is the stale check. So next one हम देखेंगे, the call money means what? What is this? It's an overnight loan in the money market. B it's a or it is the loan, or it is the loan of above 1 day to 7 days in the money market. Third one it is loan of above 1 day to 14 days in the money market. D it is loan for 365 days in the money market. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So the call money means what is this? It is an overnight loan in the money market. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, a sale and lease back transaction involves the sale of an asset that is then leased back to whom, whether lessee, be it the lessor, C is the original owner, D is the buyer. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A sale and leaseback transaction involves the sale of an asset that is then leased back to whom? To the ओरिजिनल ओनर। सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे फ्रॉम द मुद्रा बैंक। सो फ्रेंड्स, so मुद्रा stands for what is this? That is the Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Limited. So friends, which one is not coming under the schemes offered by Mudra Bank in India? Whether it's Narib, it's a Sisu, C it's a Kishore, D it's the Tarun. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So Sisu, Kishore and Tarun. So these are the schemes so are coming under the Mudra Bank, and the bank will provide the loans to them. So friends, so what are the loans amounts available? So under the Sisu scheme, the loans are sanctioned up to how much? Rupees 50,000. Under the Kishore scheme, the Mudra Bank will provide the loans to the customer, let's say from 50,000 1 to 5 lakhs. Then to the Tarun category, that is the entrepreneur, the banks, Mudra Bank will provide the loans to entrepreneurs from, that is, or above or more than rupees 5 lakh 1 to rupees 10 lakh. So friends, you have to remember. So next one हम देखेंगे, the first white label ATM is what? Whether India ATM, B it's the Bharat ATM, C it's the IndiCash, D it's that is the RBI ATM. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. First white label ATM is that is the IndiCash. So next one हम देखेंगे, green label ATMs means what? Whether it's the ATMs are installed for the transaction relating to share market, B it's ATMs are installed for the transaction relating to education, agriculture, C it's ATMs are installed for the transactions relating to the tertiary sector, D it's the ATMs are installed for the transactions relating to the manufacturing sector. So friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. So green label ATMs means what is this? The ATMs which are installed for the purpose of or making transaction relating to the agriculture. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, ATM set up, owned and operated by non-bank entities or non-bank institutions. So they are known as what? Whether the green label ATMs कभी भी नहीं होगा, then the red label ATMs, then the yellow label ATMs, and last one is a white label ATM. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, what is the relationship between the buyer and the seller under the hire purchase system? Whether owner and pawnee, B it's the debtor and creditor, C it's the beller and belly, D it's that is none of these. So friends, so it's C is the right option for this MCQ. The beller and belly is the relationship between the buyer and seller under the hire purchase agreement. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. So it's very interesting. Now we will discuss the various types or kinds of ATMs. So friends, so ATM stands for automated teller machines. First one is that is the brown label ATMs. What is this? Are not owned by the banks. Instead the banks are taken on lease to provide the services to customers. It's the meaning of that is the brown label ATMs. Then the green label ATMs, friends, we have already discussed. To provide, or the green label ATMs provide the agricultural services to customer. Then the orange label ATMs, what is this? Orange label ATMs provide the share transactions. Fourth one is white label ATMs are owned by the non-banking institutions or entities. Friends, we have already discussed. Then the yellow label ATMs, so they provide the e-commerce transaction to the customers. Last but not the least, it's the pink label ATMs are for the use of females only. So friends, so these are the types of ATMs. So next one, last but not the least, friends, you have to match the list 1 with list 2. In list 1 में क्या है? So this MCQs from the leasing, direct lease, B it's the sales and lease back. Third one is operating lease, D it's the financial lease. Then list 2 में क्या है? First contract in which the lessor buys the new equipment from the producer and lease it to lessee. Second one, a lease back is an arrangement in which the seller of the asset lease back the same asset from the buyer of the assets. Third one, it's a contract for a firm or lessee to use an asset and return it in a similar condition to lessor. Fourth one, it is a contractual agreement where a lessee obtains use of an asset for most of its economic life and resembling ownership. So friends, you have to select the right option from the following as given below: A1, B2, 3, C3, D4. B it's A4, B3, C1, D2. Third one is A4, B3, C2, D1. Then D it's A4, B3, C1, D2. So friends, so here no doubt friend, A is the right option for this MCQ. So direct lease means what is this? The contract in which the lessor buys the new equipment from the producer. Then it's a B2. So it's a B2. So it's the meaning or then operating lease, it's a, that is the C3, and financial lease, it's a, the fourth one. So friends, so these are the vital 40 MCQ. So friends, again I am requesting you to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or a gap you find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So before concluding our discussion, so I am wishing all the very best for your or upcoming PGT exemption and the UGC NET JRF and other related exams. So thanks a million to all of you. So again I am requesting to all of you, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. So once again thanks a lot to all of you.